Welcome to our discussion on moving from prototype to first production run. This is a crucial phase where design, suppliers, quality, and business planning converge. Today, we will explore how to transition from a tested prototype to first articles and production decisions. Precision and foresight are required at every stage. Our goal is to simplify the engineering process and clarify decision-making, allowing projects to progress with fewer mistakes. Efficiency is paramount in scaling. A well-organized project ensures the team knows what to build, test, improve, and avoid. This structure provides a roadmap for the entire engineering department. This is vital for physical products as each decision impacts the next. A design choice influences material selection, which affects manufacturing, costs, and strategy. These choices also ripple through assembly, quality, and testing. Ignoring any of these elements can lead to unforeseen issues during the production run. This topic is particularly relevant for startups and product teams preparing for their first manufacturing run at X-Pro. We focus on practical execution strategies. It helps when refining a product for practicality, manufacturability, or clarity in execution. Precision at this stage prevents expensive reworks later. A robust process instills confidence in clients and protects the engineering team by clarifying decisions, assumptions, risks, and deliverables. It is the foundation of trust. This distinction between guessing and engineering is essential. Engineering is a disciplined approach to solving problems with data and validated designs. Let's break down the key steps. First, validate the prototype. Ensure the prototype addresses the right technical questions before proceeding to production. Anticipate potential issues that may arise during manufacturing or user handling. This step transforms uncertainty into structured next steps for the project. Technical due diligence involves reviewing the CAD model and ensuring that all tolerances are achievable with the chosen manufacturing methods. Verification is paramount. Ensure that every design element can be repeated consistently at scale. We must move from a single working prototype to a repeatable manufacturing process. Consider the environment where the product will be used. Temperature, humidity, and mechanical vibration can all impact performance. Validate for real conditions. Even small components like fasteners and gaskets require validation. Ensure that every part of the bill of materials is vetted and ready for production. Second, freeze the design carefully. Determine what can still change and what must be finalized before engaging suppliers. This is a critical point. This decision checkpoint helps mitigate risks and ensures the project moves forward efficiently. Late changes are the primary cause of production delays. Once the design is frozen, any further modifications must go through a formal process. This maintains the integrity of the production plan and timeline. The goal is to reach a state where the CAD model accurately reflects the final intended product for the first articles. Alignment is essential for success. When you freeze the design, you provide a stable target for your suppliers. They can begin tooling and material procurement with confidence. Discipline during the design freeze phase protects your budget and timeline. It prevents the need for expensive last-minute modifications and retooling. Changes after this point can lead to scrapped tooling, which is both expensive and time-consuming. It is better to finalize the design before cutting metal. Verify that all assembly steps are feasible with the frozen design before committing to large investments. Check every fastener and joint one last time. Third, prepare documentation. Compile all necessary CAD models, drawings, bills of materials, and inspection plans. This is your blueprint for success. Thorough documentation is crucial to avoid costly mistakes and ensures clarity for all stakeholders. It serves as the single source of truth for the team. A complete bill of materials should include part numbers, descriptions, and supplier information. Accuracy here is vital for inventory management and costs. Inspection plans define how quality will be measured against requirements. Specify critical dimensions and tolerances to ensure every part meets standards. Include standard operating procedures for assembly and testing. Clear instructions reduce the risk of human error and improve consistency on the line. At X-Pro, we ensure that the digital thread links your CAD models directly to the shop floor. This connectivity is the heart of modern manufacturing. Traceability starts with documentation. By linking parts to their design files and supplier batches, we can quickly identify the root cause of any issues. Maintaining historical data is essential for auditing and continuous improvement. We document every decision to protect the project's long-term health. Fourth, select suppliers, evaluate potential partners based on their technical capabilities, communication, and sample quality. the partner is an asset. Consider cost, lead time, and associated risks. This selection process is vital for project success and sustainability in the global supply chain. Visit your potential suppliers to inspect their facilities firsthand. Seeing their equipment and meeting their team provides insights data cannot. A resilient supply chain is built on strong relationships and multiple partners. We help you find the right fit for your specific engineering needs. Perform a thorough capability assessment to ensure the supplier has the machinery and expertise required. Verify their processes match your standards. Review their quality management systems and certifications. You must be certain they can meet the precision required for X-Pro mechanical parts. Fifth, first article inspection. Review initial production samples to identify issues before approving larger quantities. This is the first real test. This inspection ensures that the supplier's processes match the CAD specifications exactly. We verify every dimension to ensure a perfect fit. A formal inspection report documents every dimension. It provides proof that the manufacturing process is under control and the tooling is correct. If discrepancies are found, you must work with the supplier to identify the cause immediately. Adjustments to machine settings are common at this stage. Verify the material properties of the first articles. Chemical analysis or hardness testing can confirm that the supplier used the correct alloy or resin. This is a fundamental engineering requirement for X-Pro. We never compromise on material integrity as it determines the product's lifespan and safety. Sixth, conduct a pilot run. This is a controlled small batch to uncover assembly, quality, packaging, and supply issues. It's a dress rehearsal. This step identifies problems before they scale. A pilot run allows you to test the entire flow without the risk of high-volume failures. During the pilot run, pay close attention to assembly time and ergonomic challenges. This data helps in optimizing the full-scale production line. Evaluate the packaging design and perform necessary drop tests. Ensure that the product is protected from the factory floor to the customer's door. Use this opportunity to train your production staff. Their feedback on the assembly process is invaluable for uncovering hidden design flaws or difficulties. Gathering time and motion data allows for more accurate cost forecasting at X-Pro. We use this information to ensure production remains profitable. Review the consistency of the finished products. Every unit in the pilot run should be virtually identical, demonstrating the stability of the process. Stability and repeatability are the goals of a successful pilot run. Once achieved, you are ready to move into the mass production phase. Seventh, utilize the feedback loop. Use production data to refine the design or process before scaling. Improvement is at the heart of engineering. Every data point from the first production run is a learning opportunity. This iterative approach helps improve the final product quality and yield. Analyze defect rates and identify their root causes. Design for manufacturing is an ongoing process that continues long after the first part is made. Feedback from the shop floor often leads to small changes that make the product easier and cheaper to build. Listen to the people on the assembly line. Focus on improving your production yield. Reducing waste and scrap is one of the most effective ways to lower your unit cost and increase margins. Include feedback from early users to reveal issues not apparent during initial validation. Their real-world experience is the ultimate test of your design. Finally, confirm launch readiness. Ensure the product, suppliers, documentation, and quality control processes are fully prepared for the main launch. This ensures a smooth transition to full production at X-Pro. You are now ready to scale with confidence, knowing your foundation is solid. Common mistakes to avoid include moving too quickly without defining clear questions and assuming software models reflect reality without testing. Never treat cost as an afterthought or fail to document decisions. Each aspect is interconnected, influencing the final success of your product launch. In summary, transitioning from prototype to production is about minimizing risks. Let's ensure your design is ready for the next step before you invest in production. Contact X-Pro today and let's build something great together.